Hey, it's Jeff, parts manager at Trev Deeley Motorcycles. Last week, we had a look at the shift linkage and how you could dress up your bike that much better. And this week, again, is another part kind of like that. You have things that make your bike function. The most important thing that goes in your bike is the gas, because otherwise you're not going anywhere. To the most extent, the gas cap is there, you need it there, but you can also make that cooler. One of the nice ones that really cleans up the look on your bike is the flush mount fuel caps. And I'm just going to open up this box here quickly. These come in chrome or in black. This one here is for the Softails that had the two sides on it. So the gas on the right side and the left was the fake one. So it does come with a cover. This is like the cooking show. This doesn't actually come in the box. This is a chrome one that just goes over the filler cap. This one here is black, so it does have the black one in it. But this just covers up to have the look of it. And then what you're getting here is your actual gas cap here. And these ones here will go flush to the tank. It's got a ring too that goes onto the tank. Easy to install, but it's a nice little look to the bike. If you get that really, really clean look to your bike, it's a utility, it's important. You have to have a gas cap on. But if you want it to bring it up the level, have that really clean look to it, the flush mount cap is the way to go. I'll show you the trick to how to get them open and closed and how to push down, turn, pops open, and then you just screw it off. It's very easy to use, but it's one of those ones that are super cool. Easy install too. So if you want to install something, maybe you're a person that doesn't do a lot of installs on their own, but maybe it's something you want to give a try. A little bit of a confidence booster, or just have some, hey, I put that on my bike. And it's just a thing that just makes your bike look that much cooler.